I am Preeti Mirza from the Great India School, and today I am going to teach network security concept. Before starting this topic, we should know what is network security. So, network security is a security provided to the network from unauthorized access and misuse. We can also say network security consists of a policy and practice adopted to protect a network from unauthorized access, misuse and modification. Now we will discuss what is threats. A threat is a potential violation of security. When the threat is actually executed, it becomes an attack. The person who is responsible for executing the threat, it's called attacker. Some common threats are virus, worms, Trojan horse, spam, etc. Computer virus. Computer virus are malicious code and program that cause damage of your data and file on your computer. Virus can attack any part of your computer software like boot sector, operating system, system area, application software area, macros, etc. The damage caused by the virus. Deleting file and data. Second, it can slow your PC. Spamming. Spamming refers to the sending bulk mail from the identified and unidentified source. In a non-malicious form, the bulk of mail is sent to the many account. In a malicious form, the attacker continuously sends mail till your mail server is out of disk. The damage caused by the spamming. First, it reduces the productivity. Second, it eats up your time. Worms. A worms is a self-replicated program that eats up your disk space and memory. A worms is continuously created its copy until your disk space and memory is filled. Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a program that appears as a harmless, but actually it performs malicious function like deleting and damaging your files. Cookies. Cookies is also called a web cookies or browser cookies. Is a small piece of information sent by the website and stored in a user web browser when user browsing the website. Some cookies are automatically disappear when user close the browser, while some of them are stored and again loaded when user again open the website. It's called tracing cookies. Protection using firewall. Firewall are the network security system, either hardware or software basis. It controls the incoming and outgoing network traffic by using some set of rules. Antivirus software. There are many malicious programs that cause damage to our computer system. This include virus, worms, Trojan horse, spam, etc. The antivirus software is designed to block or detect this malicious program. When an antivirus software is loaded in our computer, it checks memory of our computer. If any malicious program are active, it simply blocks this and save our computer. Cyber safety. Cyber safety refers to the safe and secure use of our internet to ensure the safety and security of our personal information. Cyber crime. Any criminal offense that facilitate or involve the use of information system, electronic communication system, including electronic devices, computer and internet are called cyber crime. Reporting to the cyber crime. If cyber crime has happened, one can report to his parents, then school authority, then the police station. The reporting of the cyber crime is similar to the other offense. One can report in a cyber cell, generating a e-FIR. The government also generating a e-website for registration of a crime against a child and woman, including the cyber crime. Hacking. Hacking is a process of gaining unauthorized access of any PC for stealing the confidential information. Hope this video is helpful for you to understanding the network security concept. Thanks for watching this video.